The MediaCity is a fantastic place. It's very vibrant, it's open, it's relaxing. And we had a challenge to make sure that the security didn't impact or have an impact on that particular requirement. So we strategically place cameras where they're unobtrusive, they blend into the environment. And as people wander around MediaCity, they don't feel like they're under surveillance. This is a really, really nice environment to walk around. It's pleasant and people bring children and family here.
The system that's been installed here at MediaCity is a great example of what can be achieved when Axis work together with the end user and the consultant. We've used a mixture of video, audio and data products to actually provide a comprehensive solution. Cameras and audio devices can be installed anywhere across this really large site very quickly, and that's the major benefit of actually using IP technology. We've used analytics built into Axis cameras to actually monitor some of the sterile areas around the site. And this way we can then provide real-time alarms back to the control room. Working closely with the end user and the consultant really means that we've had valuable feedback from the real world, and we always use this feedback to develop and improve our products in the future.
We've created a community where thousands of people come to work, live and enjoy the open space that you see behind me. So we're a big broadcast site, so we've obviously got the likes of BBC and ITV, but we've also got some other big tenants that people might not realise. So we've got Salford University here, Kellogg's are here, and a lot of small media businesses that feed off the bigger broadcast companies. In the very early stages, we consulted with our security consultant, Richard Sumner, and it was key that we actually got a partner that would work with us, not just for the short term, but for the longer term as well.
So the previous system at MediaCity was an analogue solution with no cause and effect implemented on any of the buildings. We implemented new CCTV IP technology through a fibre infrastructure over wireless technology back to a centralised control room with a full cause and effect on every single building. We trialled several particular products and solutions, and Axis were the chosen camera manufacturer based on their performance, criteria and service. There were many key benefits that Axis provided. 5-year warranty, we had Zipstream technology to reduce bandwidth on cameras, and the service and support from the team was exceptional. The cost of ownership was extremely important to Peel Land and Property. Not only did we have a challenge with the initial budget, but we had also an ongoing cost to support. The 5-year warranty that Axis offered helped them secure the deal.
Sustainability particularly is key to everything that we do at Peel. We're really pleased with the steps that Axis have taken and helped us take in relation to the cybersecurity side of it from the CCTV side. We're happy that we've got the reliability with Axis, and 2-3 years down the line from our initial installs, cameras are still working fine without a glitch. It talks not only to our front end system that we've got, but also to the access control system. You can put SD cards in there. It is really open protocol. The quality gets commented on by the police every time we share footage with them. So when a new tenant is looking to take space at MediaCity, one of their key questions is about security. And I regularly take them to our control room, show them the images that we've got on CCTV, and even they're wowed by it. And I'm confident that it has helped us secure a couple of companies coming to MediaCity on the basis of CCTV and the security that we have on site.
I've been working with Tony now 6 years, and we're continuing to grow our relationship along with the projects. I'd like to say that he's over the moon with the systems and the service he's provided.